everybody, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. This is going to be an extremely quick video because I just have 2 Amazon purchases that I'm so excited to share with you. This is not sponsored. These are purchases that I made on my own, and one of them I've had experience with before, and it's sorry, not for you, and there's not going to be a try on today. The first thing that I purchased are these pair of lounge pants slash pajamas. It's more than pants, it's a set from Amazon. It's for my husband. So not even for me, all right? I got him a medium, which I believe is the size that I got him last time. This is a, look how generously sized this is. It's kind of like, gosh, it's not fleece. It's a soft knit top and a solid matching bottom. He has this outfit already in a dark gray, and he wears it to death in the wintertime as loungewear. So I figured it's something he enjoys. He's so hard to buy for. So this is something he'll appreciate and get use out of. And the one that he has in gray, it's lasted. It's been washed a million times. And I think I got this for $44. I'll send the link below, but it is extremely an affordable price and a very cozy set. So I'm happy to purchase that and share that with you because I know how hard it is weeding through all the things on Amazon. You know, the quality might be iffy in a lot of things, and then you know, it takes forever to get. This I can vouch for. What is a good purchase, and I'm very happy with it, the first set. So like I said, I decided to get him a different color pattern, and he uses it. So it's something he wouldn't be like, oh, why'd you spend all that money on that? You know, he actually would appreciate this. And again, it's a very reasonable price. All right, the next thing I got was myself. I was influenced. I know at least one YouTuber has gotten this. It might be 2, I'm not positive, maybe even 3, but the last one I saw at one was the one that I decided to make the purchase. It was Anna Reed. I don't know if you follow her or not. She is in Southern Florida. She does a lot of style videos. A lot of her style tends to be like more classic, and because she's in Florida, she wears a lot of shorts and tank tops, but she styles them so it doesn't look, you know, sloppy. So she sold me on this. Do I need a bright green purse? No, Carolyn, you don't need a bright green purse, but it just looks so cute. And this is by The Drop by Amazon, which tends to be one of their better quality items, at least in my experience. Although I do like those Amazon essential tees. This has a flat bottom, okay? So it does have some structure here on the bottom of it. It's actually a fairly generous size on the inside. And obviously it's faux leather, but this faux leather seems to be like a reasonable quality faux leather. It doesn't smell, it's not really plasticky. It's a really nice soft faux leather, not like a piece of junk. So this is adorable. I have no idea how I'm styling this thing. But it is really cute, puts a smile on my face, and I got it for $31. So if something makes me really happy for $31, I'm gonna buy it, okay? So yeah, here's my little cute little purse. And that is it. Thank you very much for returning subscribers. Appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click the notification bell, get notified of future videos from me, and give me a thumbs up. Take care, till next time.